Hi, today we will talk about Platform Developer 1 Certification Maintenance Winter 24. In this way, we will complete the second module, get hands-on with bind variable in a SOQL query. So our main objective is the dynamically pass the bind variables to a SOQL query. We have to pass the dynamic variable in the SOQL query, right? So for that we have to use this database.query with binds. Database.query with binds we have to use for that. Now coming to our challenge, we have to first create a playground, then we'll proceed further. So here I will select this launch. So now our challenge is launch the or create an apex class name query connect. We have to create the apex class named query connect. Okay, coming to the or, just open this developer console where we will write the code. The file new apex class, we will paste that name which we have provided in the requirement, query connect. Okay, it is done. Now coming to here, replace the contents of the query connect class with the following code, where we will copy this code and we will replace this class with that code. Okay, now save it. Now what we have to done here, update the get connect id with bind method of the query connect class. First we will see what we have in this class. Here we have public class, class name query connect, right? We have two methods here, get contact id and get contact id with binds. Okay, we have here a string last name parameter and string title. We have try and cage block. Okay, we have contact object, and we are querying database dot query. Okay, to the contact. Okay, here. So now our requirement is update the get contact id with binds method of the query connect class to locate the same contact that was selected in the get contact id method. We have to update this get contact id id with bind method. Okay, then that was selected in the get contact id method using the bind bars map to dynamically pass bind variables. Okay, now we have to change in this we have to update this method get contact id with binds, and what it is saying, locate the same contact that was selected in the get contact id method. We have to locate only we have to locate the same contact, okay, that we have selected in the get contact id method. So let's do it here. First we have to query on that contact. So string, we are creating that object too, and select id from contact where last name is last name. Okay, and we have to title. We have to write title title and the limit 1. Okay. Then we have to create the contact object. We have to use database dot query with bind method. Okay, inside this parameter we have to pass this query which we have queried, this variable query. Then we have to pass this bind variable, this object. Then we have to pass the access level dot user mode. Okay, we have to pass this access level dot user mode. Then we have to store it in on list of contact. Now what we'll check if we have to create the object also. Contacts. Okay. So contacts should not equals to null and contacts should not be empty, right? Should not be empty. Okay, if we have the data in the context, then what we will do? We will return contacts of 0 dot id. Okay, otherwise else it will return null. Okay, so what we have done, we have updated this get contact id with bind. Here we will fetching the same query inside which is fetching here. Okay, then we have stored that query in the query variable. Data type of query is string. Then we are fetching the data with the database dot query with bind. So we have passed these 3 arguments: query, bind variables is our parameter, and access level. Okay, so then we have checked that if the list is null or not, or is it empty or not. If it is not empty, means we have the data, then we will return the contacts.id, else we will return null. Okay, now save it. It's done. Save it. Now check it by clicking this check challenge to earn 500 points. That's it. We have completed the challenge. Thank you.